Bonifay, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cerro Gordo, Gerald, Black, Brittany, Nilma, Merritt's Crossroads, Carnes Off, Isagora, Miller Crossroads, Bethlehem, High Bluff, Prosperity, Rehoboth, Slocum, Batten's Crossroads, Newton, Madrid, Ards Crossroads, Ardilla, and Baker Settlement. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Alabama and the panhandle of Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until noon Central Daylight Time for the following county: Holmes, Florida.
Did you get into a fight again?
No.
Adults have had recent sleepwalk.
If we hit...
Another 2%.
It's my mom. She wants to come.
Hallelujah.
Sir.